For making flower basket crochet edging, you need 1 mm steel crochet hook and silk thread. I am using 2 different colors. First, make slip knot. Attach a thread to the fabric. Like this. You have to make chain 2 spaces into this fabric. Make chain 2 single crochet. This is the first row. You have to make chain 2 single crochet. Complete first row just by making chain 2 single crochet. After you finish first row, we'll start second row. Make chain 3. Turn your work to the wrong side and skip first chain 2 space. Go to the second chain 2 space and make 5 double crochet. I have completed 5 double crochet. Now you have to make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After making chain 6, turn your work, go to the right side of your work and make 1 single crochet in this chain 3 space. Here. Now make chain 1, again turn your work, and make 10 single crochet around this chain 6 loop. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After making 10 single crochet, you have to make again chain 3, and now skip 1 chain 2 space, go to the next chain 2 space and make 1 single crochet. You have just completed 1 basket. Again make chain 3, 2, 3. Skip 1 chain 2 space and go to the next chain 2 space and make 5 double crochet. From here you have to repeat the same step for making this type of basket. For making petals, attach your thread at starting point and follow this pattern. After attaching thread, make 3 single crochet over this chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. When you reach this loop, you have to make 1 single crochet in first stitch and make chain 2. 1, 2. Go to the next stitch and make first double crochet. Now second double crochet into the second space or next space. Now I am making third double crochet into this next space like this, and in third double crochet or into this same space you have to make 1 single crochet for closing this petal like this. You have made first petal. Now again chain 2, go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Now second double crochet into second or next space. Now third double crochet. When you make third double crochet, you have to make 1 single crochet into this same space for closing the petal like this. This is the second petal. Again make chain 2. Now we are making the third petal. I have completed my third petal. Now go to this chain 3 space and make 3 single crochet. Now for completing this edging you need to follow the same pattern. 3 single crochet over this chain 3 space, and over this loop you have to repeat the same step for making this beautiful petal.